Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Analytics, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Google Analytics account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin in your GA4 anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different assistants or VAs, but sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Google Analytics. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Analytics account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GA4 account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove an admin, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little gear icon thing here at the bottom. It says admin. Okay, once you do that, you're looking for this button right here, account access management. It has three little people next to it. If you don't see that at the top for some reason, here on the left menu, you can go ahead and open up account and then just click on account access management. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. Okay, so here is where you can see all of the different admins or team members you added into your Google Analytics property. So go ahead and scroll through until you find the person that you would like to remove in your Google Analytics. So for example, this one right here. Once you found their name, there's actually a few different ways you can remove access. The first and easiest way is off to the right. You're going to see these three dots. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see this button, remove access. The second way you can go ahead and remove an admin is off to the left of their name. You're going to see this little box. Check that box. Once you check that box, you're going to see the same remove button here on the top right. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, next you're going to get this warning confirming that you're going to remove this admin from your Google Analytics. If you're okay with that, click on the red remove button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that admin has been removed from my Google Analytics 4 account. So they no longer have access to my reports or my... Also, you might be wondering if they receive an email confirming they've been removed. I didn't receive an email, at least not immediately. I guess it is a possibility that they can send an email at a later date, but immediately I did not receive an email confirmation that that email was removed as an admin. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin in your Google Analytics, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.